Okay, now let us talk about this article from the New York Post. And it is by a Kayla B. Rubley and a Charlotte Edwards via the Sun, right? Now, this article is our evidence, our proof, because I don't want you to say I'm making stuff up or I'm spreading conspiracy theories. Let's get into this article because the date is what I want you to pay keen attention to. The date is July 3rd, 2022. And on July 5th, 2022, they will be starting up Cern. And Cern uses a whole lot of energy. Let us connect some dots. Solar storm, snow plows past Earth, could cause problem with power grid. A solar storm that zoomed past Earth recently might create problems for satellite and the country's power grid, experts say. The nearby solar eruption snowplowed dense plasma towards the Earth, triggering geomagnetic storms in at least 2 U.S. states, according to weather data. The July 1 CME hit is part of a rash of solar storm as the sun goes through a period of heightened activity. A CME is a solar eruption called a coronal mass ejection, which is a huge explosion of plasma from the sun's outer layer called the corona. This mass ejection of particles from the sun travels through space, and the Earth uses its magnetic field to protect us from it. The expert at space.com reported a CME passed close to Earth on July 1st. It did not directly strike our planet's magnetic field. Scientists had predicted that a near miss might have implications for the globe's magnetic field. Now, please go check this story out for yourself. Use critical thinking and connect the dots. Now, these people are saying that it passes Earth, right? And it did not directly strike our planet's magnetic field. Now the question is, do I believe what he's saying, or quite possibly they are trying to cover their tracks? Because I feel this is not a vision. I'm just trying to connect some dots with what is going on in the heavens, as they are saying it happened already. Plus, they are turning Cern on the 5th, and Cern uses a whole lot of energy. I definitely believe that we will be plunged into a few days of darkness, right? And we won't have any gas, any light, any water, because after all, they've got to do a test run as to what they are going to do, right? So I believe that we will be getting some sort of a test run when they turn on this Cern machine, along with what is happening in the heavens, right? Because I don't believe everything these people report. It could be still happening, and they expect it to intensify over a couple of days, right? No, you need to be prepared for anything and stay prepared, right? I could be wrong. It's just a gut feeling. It's not a vision. But still, people ask critical questions, connect the dots, right? I do not trust these people, and I do not put nothing past them, right? They know exactly what they are doing, and they are looking to set humanity up. And if you have money in the bank and you've got resources and you think that you can survive just about every and anything, if the grid goes down, your money will worth nothing, and none of these shops can open because they won't have any light, any gas, any water, right? Their equipment won't work. So people, be prepared. Anything can happen, and I do not trust these people either, right? Go check the rest of the article out for yourself. Go look up the articles on Cern starting up for the 5th of July. Use critical thinking, connect the dots, and stay prepared. You need to seek the face of the Most High while you can. Let us pray and say glory be to the Most High.